You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say.
Cabo, met that girl in Cabo, wearing Ferragamo. We was going shot for shot for shot like Desperado. Snuck into the bathroom, she might be a problem. I should probably stay away. Girl, you crazy, couldn't even wait for the room. Shaking, shaking, trying to keep up with you.
Hey, you're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say.
Shy, 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 I just can't stop. You the only one I want.
You're my spicy margarita, baby. Burn my tongue, make me say.
Morning, text me in the morning, put on a performance. I be going shot for shot for shot. She think I'm Jordan, but she screamed a ruler. My ego enormous. Filling up your body, babe. Girl, you crazy, couldn't even wait for the room. Shaking, shaking, trying to keep up with you.
You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say.
Shy, 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 I just can't stop. You the only one I want.
You're my spicy margarita,
You're my spicy
baby.
girl.
Burn my
You're my spicy
tongue,
girl.
make me say.
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, it's hot enough.
Should I take it off?
Hell yeah, you should take it off.
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, it's hot enough.
Should I take it off?
Hell yeah, you should take it off.
Hi everyone, today's dance is called Burn My Tongue. It's a surgical calm, low intermediate level like this. Let me face in the back wall. First section, we start the right foot. We're gonna swing to the right, sway to the left. And then we're gonna turn to your right corner. And so you step on your right foot with the left foot free. And then move your left foot forward to the last step, step, last step, and right foot, rock forward, recover. And then we're gonna do the winging behind side cross. To move from your right corner to the left corner, the behind side cross. So you're facing your left corner now. Okay, one more time, it's time, so sway. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And then the second section, in the beginning, you're facing your left corner, then your left foot with the left step forward, and then we're gonna do the 3S PV turn left with the turning hip. So you're gonna step, turn to facing your 6 o'clock, and then we do the right foot extending lock step, step, lock, step, lock, step, lock, step. So 3 lock. Okay, let's do this section with calm. So after your behind side cross, waist on right foot for A1 and start with the left foot. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then the third section, we're gonna make a 3/4 turn right. First, do the PV tail turn right. Do the step, tail turn, and then add another quarter turn right, and then just do the side shuffle, check, check, check. And then right rock forward, recover on the left with the left sweep, and then right to the pony step into the back with the left knee hitch, and left foot together, and then back with the hitch again. Okay, let's do this section with calm. So after your last step, we're on your right. Start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and then the final section with the left foot, do another pony step into the back together, back, and then right foot do the kick up, And then we circle our body. First you push your body to the right with a knee bend and both knees down. And then push your body to the left with the right knee bend. And then move to the right, to the side. Together from the top, sway, and continue. Okay, this section is count. So after the third section, you're pony. And then start with the left foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and then continue your dance. Okay, let's put everything together from the top. So start with the right foot, sway, turn, left foot, step, rock, recover, behind, side, cross, step, and then release, step, turn, last step, last step, release, step, turn, cha, rock, recover, pony, step, another pony, step, kick, on, body, right, down, left, cha, sway, turn, step, step, continue. Okay, let's do one more time, let's count. So start with the right foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and sway, and then continue. That's